Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing grit and dust so you don't grind particles into the leather. Use a soft brush or vacuum with a brush head and then wipe with the kit's mild cleaner. This lifts surface oils and residues. Once done, blot, not rub, excess moisture with a microfiber towel to avoid staining. Make sure to test the cleaner on an inconspicuous patch and wait for 24 hours. This confirms color fastness and prevents surprises when you proceed to deeper conditioning. You now perform the deeper cleaning and any small repairs. Apply the cleaner sparingly in circular motions with the supplied sponge so you remove embedded oils without overwetting the leather. This preserves flexibility. If you have cracks, use the repair filler from the kit, press into creases with the palette knife, then feather edges smooth. Once repaired, remove excess with a damp cloth and allow the leather to breathe for 1 to 2 hours so fibers relax before sealing or conditioning. You finish by restoring oils and protecting the surface. Apply the kit's conditioner thinly with a soft cloth, working it in a long grain line so it penetrates. This prevents stiffening and restores sheen. After 10 to 15 minutes, buff gently to a uniform finish. If you need color adjustment, add the dye in thin coats, allowing full drying between layers. If you encounter sticky spots or water rings, blot excess, let the piece dry naturally. Then reapply a thin conditioner coat as a fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.